Hey, what's up everybody? This is David with Excalibur Rings. In today's ring video, we're going to be making a deep sea ring. Let me tell you what's in it. We're going to be using our blue glow powder for the ocean look, and shark teeth, as well as obsidian. Obsidian is basically a volcanic rock. Definitely be careful if you're handling it, as you can cut your hand. You can see here that I'm using a safety tong to place each individual rock onto the ring inlay and then gluing it down with the CA adhesive. And then I'll also be placing the shark tooth fragments and then coating everything with the blue glow powder, but just kind of like a deep ocean, almost like an Atlantis feel to it. Thank you guys for watching, and I do truly appreciate the support. If you're new to this channel and you enjoy this kind of ring making content, please consider liking, subscribing, and dropping a comment. We also do monthly giveaways to our subscribers. If you don't know your ring size, it's no problem. You can still win a ring and we'll just send you a ring size finder for free. This ring is available on our website, excaliburrings.com. There's a link in the description below.